So a lot of you in the barbecue world are going to know what this is. This is the dome lid to an 18-inch Weber Smokey mountain. I don't have the rest of it. I just have the dome. So I decided to create a new vertical smoker using a 30-gallon compressor tank. This is a brand new one. And let's cut the top off of it and turn it into a barrel smoker. Now I've taken the motor and the compressor part off, and I've taken off the flange that all that sat on the top. Now I want to see if the Weber Smokey Mountain 18-inch lid will fit this. And guess what? It butts right onto the weld lip right there. So all I have to do is cut the top off of it carefully, add a couple of air riser pipes. Let's see how this works. I'll be back. So now we're going to cut the top of the barrel off about a ½ inch above the weld bead so we can fit that on there.